In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to subtract time. Okay. In this instance, I'm going to talk about the subtraction involving hours and minutes. These are two different parameters. Okay. The first thing first is to first of all look for their relationship. What is the relationship between hours and minutes? Definitely, we know that the relationship between hours and minutes is what is 60. So that thing you need to consider is that it's in pairs. Don't say 0 minus. For instance, like this for example, don't say 0 minus 5. It doesn't work like that. You say 10 minus 5, right? Because it's in pairs. You don't subtract it individually. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is what? 10 can minus 5. You don't need to borrow. So 10 minus 5 is what? Is 5. So write it like this. Because it is what? Is in pairs. 0 5 is into writing 5. Okay. So 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3. So basically this is what? This is our answer. So if I want to express it, I'll say 3 hours 5 minutes. Okay, this is our final answer to this question. In our second question, 15 cannot minus 58. You know that because 15 is smaller than 58, isn't it? Remember, I told you that the first thing first when we are about to solve this is to look at the what at the relationship, and the relationship between this and this minutes and hours is what is 60, ain't it? So the highest of this must not be up to what 60. 15 cannot minus 58. So what we're going to do, you have to borrow one from this 16. Why? Because 15 cannot minus 58, ain't it? So if you borrow from this 16 will reduce to what 15, ain't it? If you borrow one from 15, it become what? If you borrow one from 16, it become what 15, ain't it? But in to this particular side, it's become the relationship. So anyone you borrow is 60, ain't it? So it should be to get the answer here, to get the value of this particular one that you borrow, it will become 60 plus 15. It's no longer 1 again. Do you understand? Unlike your conventional mathematics that you borrow one from this one become, you add one to add to become 10 or 15 or whatever that it is being called. Do you understand? But in this instance, the anyone you borrow is what is the relationship. So the relationship you borrow is what is 60. So you say 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15 is going to have 75. So all this side now I will change to what to 75, ain't it? So I can decide to write it here again so that you don't get confused. All the 15 are changed to what 75. How did I get 75? Is the number I borrow from this one. So 60 plus 15, I have what 75. So all these ones have changed to what 75. So 75 minus 58. So here is what is 17. Okay. So here is what is 15. Let me write the 15 here. So 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9, what do you get? If you have 15 minus 9, what do you have? You have 6. Okay. So this is basically the answer to this question number 2. The first thing first is that once you borrow, anything you borrow is what? If you borrow is what is 60. It's no longer 1 that will be included here. And before you write it, you have to that 60 you add it with this any number that is here. Then you write it up. The value at this top, that is what you use to subtract any value that is what is in this particular down. Okay. So and this one is just normal subtraction and multiplication. If you subtract 1 from any of this number, it will reduce by itself by 1 time. That's why I got 15 in this side. Okay, so I believe this is the basic concept in which you need to know when it comes to what subtraction or what of time. So for more practice, I believe you're able to understand the concept. Okay, so for more informative content, don't forget to like and share my channel, James Maths Academy. Until I see you next time, thank you.